Air Force One. She say you really rap, me say caution jail.
Now always people, you know all about, so just the music alone. Mama.
Stick no this chatty, me we kill
In
smarty.
about this no sympathy, we no give affection.
Yo, Madden. Yo. I have to listen to Soji TV Entertainment. You must be full to bumbo.
What's good, viewers and subscribers for your ear device? I know it's your boy Soji TV Entertainment, and me have some artists we more review today. You see me? But before me jump into the review, I want to give a shout out to Crystal and Ray. You know, there is a young YouTuber, you know, they must start a vlog channel. So I want to go over there, or give them the support and make them know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. I'm going to start the review now on J. I mean, I say yes, the first artist I mean, kick it off, it goes by the name Rakesh, and in drop a song title Fawklif. You see me? Artist say, man, no builder, but him a roll is Fawklif. You don't know, say Fawklif in a construction site. You see me? Yeah, man, but that difference still. The boss say, can no call me no Bob, because me no builder, so that's why I say that. So, nobody run with that there right now, you see me? So me I say, I want to know guys to go by artist Vivo and make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there, you see me? I like see when artists are put in the work, and this is one artist when me see I see a consistent, you see free, and him a put out the work, and him a make people know say, yo, me relevant, you know man, you see me? And I am my first artist, me see, me come across it, when me see a BT, the state sign them hard, the state flag hard, mask, suit, you know a flag a normal thing, I will if I music video, United States flag forward in there, you see me, but they man a take his state thing to a different level. You see free, so me a big up man like Troublemaker Music, and they man they produce it, you see me, so you don't know, say you have to big up the whole man they will see him make they say artist base, you see free, so me I say Rakesh, go and stay relevant, you see me, you soon find that bomber the way I go shake up the place one night time, cause yeah, you're the right track, you know. Can't take that from you, you know. And me see your platform I take time I grow, you see free, so just stay constructive. You see what me I say, and go and put in the work, and the people them they run the artists where support the artist, go and do the right thing, cause artists I go surprise them, you know, the artist I go reach somewhere in a dance hall and make a column for himself, you know, cause he just start the journey in viewers and subscribers. Well, if an artist just start the journey and them a do good so far, so you can't take that from them, you see style. So I want to know guys to go by artist Vivo and make your artist know, see me sending over there, you see free. Now make on a listen piece more song and me jump in another review. Man.
New Benz, 4-way flasher, we rolling up.
Why you pre-post when man sell out a show?
Viewers, that song is produced by Rich Together Entertainment and Jiggedy Entertainment, you see me? And it direct by Sheehan Creative. And the two artists them goes by the name, one goes by the name Skippa and the next one goes by the name Chronicler. And from the year Chronicler, you don't know say that man is a alien, you know man. Any song of the man they sing, you know man. People feel it to them bone, you know. And Skippa on the next level. When Skippa sing about film craft, you can relate to it and it motivate you. And if you see two artists like that, do a collab, viewers and subscribers. Nothing but greatness, man. And that song is titled Church. I be a thing artist, them a say another song of viewers and subscribers. You see me? You don't know say Chronicler is a man we know if you play with him words them. You see me? You know Skippa is just a melody man and just cool and deadly. You see me? Yo, I just greatness viewers and subscribers. To what me see, dancehall a turn right now. You see me? Me see artists them a come together and a try to make this thing a work. You see me? Because dancehall, who do want dancehall to fade out? You see me? Yeah man, so the chop dancehall and the dancehall, everything to blend in a one and just work and just know say yo, is a new style in a dancehall said we. You know, take nothing from dancehall overall. Because right now them rhythm are drop. Nowadays, you know, a chop dancehall rhythm them, you know. You see me? So, you know say, a whole heap of artists where the back then have to try change them style. Some of them even last, but you know, from Chronic Law get that breakthrough there from what? 2018, if me not like, I just low greatness. I remember say, when I greatest in a dancer, I can say, Chronic Law remind him, I him, that a Vibes Cartel, So that for sure, say Chronic Law dey on a level for himself, and Chronic Law I give some young artists some strength. And I love that, you see me? So me I say, yo, One Law Record, big up on yourself, man. You don't know. I mean, I say, Skippa, nighttime, go and do the right thing in the youth. You see, free. You fall from St. and Marley said we end up on the ground, man. You don't know. We are not course youth said we are like, she say, yo, youths them I go out there and I pave a way for the other youths them round them and then surrounding and even pave way for the parish itself too because remember, a town and Mobile used to be a place where artists are bus from, and right now you can do anywhere in the world right now and get your break. Thank God for some of them social media platform where you can use up and get that little strength they said we, you see me? So viewers and subscribers, want to know guys to just go over artists them, you see me? The song drop over Skippa, so you can go over Skippa, Vivo, and make him know say me send you over there and you can go over Chronicler Vivo as well. But listen to one of the latest song them, give him a subscribe if you haven't give him a subscribe. Make him know say FollowIG TV Entertainment over here. I will there just do some review and I seek the artist them and I give artist them a strength. So I want to know guys we have a productive evening now. Me jump in a next review. You see pre 100.
Fuck them no, say me we killing all of them. Select him a
Viewers and subscribers, when last you know hear from Rytikal? When last you know hear Rytikal on the radar? A long time you know hear about the artist there now, but me I say Rytikal drop one collab with a young artist which goes by the name Zig to the Zag. You see pre and a song title them know. A big thing the artist them a say another one here. Rytikal, you need to forward back on the radar artist. Cause me nah hear nothing from you from what you hear, I will need to hear you. I mean, if you see you for me, YouTube, a pop up, brother. So I mean, I hear nothing from article from what they hear. I want if the artist good. You see me? When I can see say artist good, the artist maybe I go and ease back and I go and watch. And I see who I go talk and who member him and thing. But you don't know if you are great, I have put out great work. Your always remember. You see me? Yeah, man, I say Zig to the Zab. Remember me do a review for you about last year or so, a long time, see you drop nothing or hear nothing from you too, so me just want you to just stay focused and stay relevant, you see me, and go and put in the work, you see me, I want some music video, cause I order them no tree work in them at time, you see me, unless I read they I go send them or them no good thing there, but for YouTube right now, a video do it, so when you get the right thing, and organize up the thing them and make out some video, make some song so the people them can know who is Zig to the Zag. You don't know Rytikal out there already, man. You see me? Big up yourself, Rytikal, to give artists a strength. It's a good look that, you see me? That come back right to what me I say about Chronic Law. And Chronic Law alone I do it. I will if I great them out there, I see young talent them and I give young talent them a strength. You see me? So I saw the TV Entertainment over here. I go and do my work till one of them big YouTubers see my work and say, yo, Soji, give her strength, come see say I put in the work. So I just that with there I do and I stay relevant. So I want to know guys to hit the bell icon to be notified each time we drop a video. So you guys can get it. You see me? And watch it. So I want to know guys to just push up your watch time and now. You see me? I appreciate the 1K subscriber, on my way to 1.1K now. So I want to know guys to just tune in and be a member of FollowIG TV Entertainment on J.